Tayo nagsasabi na atin yan, yung kabila naman sabi na kanila yan. So itong linya na ito, amin to. Ang Pilipino, sabi niya, amin yan. So, ngayon, kung sabihin tayo ng China, o ano ngayon kung inyo? O amin to, anong gawin ninyo?
Yeah. Tapos.
You can call America to go to war because of this boundary. Maniwala kayo na the whole of the armed forces of America will fight there in that boundary, send all their ships and everything, tulungan tayo para mag-commit ng suicide. Hayaan mo na muna, total nandyan na rin yan. Wala namang barko, wala namang enterprising ano na dyan. Puro questionable lang yung question mark dyan. Leave it that way. It has always been that way. Do not. Huwag mong palalain ang problema. Hayaan mo na tuloy. Sabihin mo na lang, huwag na kayo dyan, huwag na kami dito. Total, it is a controversy. Each side claiming that span of water there to be his. So the claim of the other side.